In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check Monopoly Go username. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Checking our Monopoly Go username or user ID is super simple. As long as you have the latest version of Monopoly Go and you are signed into the profile where you want to check the username or the user ID. All you have to do is tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Now your username is always going to be displayed over here at the top. This is your actual username or simply your name inside of Monopoly Go. And this is going to be attributed as soon as you sign in using Facebook or your Google Play profile. So if you go over to Settings Connect Account and you have a Facebook or Google Play account connected, it is going to take the names from these accounts. So in order to change the username, if that's what you are wondering, all that you have to do is change your actual Facebook or Google Play username, and the name that is displayed inside Monopoly Go will be adjusted automatically as soon as you sign out and back into your account. Now, like I said, this is all you have to do to check your Monopoly Go username, and if you want to further check your user ID, go over to the settings and that is going to be displayed here at the bottom. So as you can see, I'm hovering over it. Your user ID is going to be a string of numbers that you can find over here. After you update Monopoly, go and sign into your account. And at the top of the menu, you can find your username that is displayed according to your Facebook or Google Play accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Monopoly Go username. Thank you for watching.